We're gonna go scrape the boat.
Oh, is this a photo?
That was a video. It's a bit cold even with the wetsuit on. So we got the boat already and we're on our way to island. 3 dogs on board, Max and myself. Oh my. Getting a bit wavy.
Flying the old Australian crow, the old Australian crow. The summer I swam in a public place, a reservoir to boot. The latter I was informal, former I wore my suit.
So we just docked the boat. We made it to the island after like, I think 5 hours. It's pretty dark. Now we get to enjoy a beautiful sunset. It's so pretty here. Are you kidding me? What? Such a beautiful day at the cabin. Bodega hates your call. Yeah, so we're just on a little walk. It's so beautiful out.
I could watch the days disintegrate, or I could start rebuilding them with double clicks, triple titles. Fire me just like a rifle, buy your kindness at the store, lay me out across the...
Hello! So my friend Max and I just decided to come up to the cabin for the weekend, enjoy some of this nice weather that I didn't even know we were gonna get. We took the sailboat over, which was pretty fun. We had some good wind and pretty wavy at some points, but also sunny and good, and we ended up making it in pretty good timing. And we brought all the pups, including the newest addition to my family, Bodega. Where'd she go? Bodega! I don't know where she went. But she was a bit of an unplanned adoption, but she is a great addition. Bodega, come here. Good girl. She's a very busy girl. She needs to get into everything. Very curious, and this is her first time on a boat and her first time here. She's been doing so great. And one of the neighbors here was chatting with me, and I told him Bodega's name, and he was like, "Oh, did you name her after the bay that's just across from where my dock is apparently called Bodega," which I never knew, and it just made the name so much more special. We're having the best time. Max and I are just staying for the weekend, so we're here for one more night, and then tomorrow morning, 6 a.m., back on the sailboat. Currently 6:30 a.m. and we're off.
And why do all the days continue passing without any kind of warning?
It's a beautiful day, not much wind, but
Driving home with heavy eyelids, shaking my head half the way and leaning in the kitchen is fine enough for me, I guess, and waiting for the ringing telephone not to scare.
made it back. Docking time. Did it. We're back. Made it.
Yeah, I need to strip off the layers that's right in the car.
My lungs, no matter how I sift through, I'll never sort your tangles, just forget about watching over me.